Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove mirror on Lexus UX. Alright, we are removed the door panel. You can check in other video in the below the link. So we remove the 360-degree door mirror. First need to unplug. We have a 2 connection. Unplug gently. Okay, and then we need a 10mm ratchet. Okay, there you can see the arrow. It is pulling. Just hang on. And then we find 3 10mm nuts. What is very good design, because don't need open the windows, don't need take off any sticker, just need take off gently, and try don't lose the nuts, because you will never find again, or you need to take off the speaker and everything. So when the nut is released, try pulling and hold my finger, looks like this. Don't worry, if you release the 3 nuts, the mirror still stay on the door, because have a plastic lock. What is help hold the mirror. Okay, I will show you the plastics. So I was talk about that white things. If you press down, the mirror will come off. And voila. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.